Today we're gonna head out to the desert. Got the little Yamaha ready, but this tire has a small leak, so well, it's not leaking anymore because we threw one of these, but I'm gonna bring an extra one just in case. Got my sick ass tires thanks to the homie Eric. He got them installed yesterday or the day before. Pretty good. They're a little too tall though, but yeah, broskies, we're gonna head out to the desert. It's 4th of July today. It's 4 p.m. broskies. I was supposed to leave at 6 in the morning. I didn't wake up till like an hour ago. I woke up like at 3, fucking showered, and then my car was already loaded up. So we're gonna head out to the desert. Broskies, check out this clean ass Zenki S14 coming right up. Mira nomás. Woo! Pretty fresh. I'm gonna try to get some Panda through the drive-thru. Hopefully we'll fit. Mira nomás. I think we'll fit. We were only supposed to get for the little girls, pero mira nomás. Some teriyaki, broccoli, and some fucking chow mein. Alright, broskis, we finally made it. I'm gonna load the little Tweety. I'm gonna take my little girl for a ride. You wanna go for a ride? She's crying because she wanted to go on. She wants to come on a ride. Huh? ¿Quieres subir? Alright, let me unload it real quick. Hold it. Hold the camera. So we have a situation. As you can see, I forgot my helmet, so I'm just gonna drive really slow, probably go like 10 miles per hour just to give her a little ride. Yep, valió madre, no. And I almost forgot the key, as well, but luckily I remember and I grabbed it, but I did forget my helmets. Before I asked for a helmet, I also ordered some Chupacabra off-road from their website. I ordered some mirrors. Let's see if I can open them up real quick. Got some stickers. Hopefully they're not that hard to install. Check them out. They look cute. Hopefully I got the right Allen keys. Si no, ya va valú. Hell yeah. Got it, broskies. Look, check it out. So it's either like this, maybe like this one. Check it out, broskies. I got it to work. Ya nomás. Estoy perro. I use this, it came with these little rubber things, and then right here at the bottom, it's actually a little thicker, so I was able to tighten it, so it's all nice and stiff. Ya nomás. It's nice and stiff, so ya se armó. So when somebody's gaining on me, I can see them. Mira. Mira, papá. Ya nomás. Woo. All right, broskies. Let's go for a rip. Oh, let me go get a helmet because está cabrón. mames. Ya no mames. Parece que me lo tragué, güey, esa madre. That shit hurt. Fuck. Parece que me lo tragué. Got the little light on. 7 miles per hour. We just cruising.